Today we're talking about how to set up Pro Tools for Windows, and we're going to go over how to use your internal sound card and then also a USB microphone, and we'll get to it all after this introduction. Welcome everybody, I'm Dan Spencer and I am the Audio Sorcerer. So this is the channel where I teach you how to perfect your audio recording, mixing, and mastering skills. So if you're looking to improve upon those skills, hear about the latest products out there, and also learn about music business, then you have come to the right place. So make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I have new videos coming out. So today we are talking about how to get your Pro Tools up and running with Windows. And this is beneficial for those who don't have an audio interface or they're using USB microphone in place of an audio interface. So before we get to that, I want to let you guys know that I have a playlist popping up in the top right corner to all my Pro Tools training videos. So if you are looking to get better at using this DAW, then definitely check out that playlist after this video. All right, with all that being said, let's get into today's topic, and let's first look at using your Windows audio card. All right, so when you first open Pro Tools, the dashboard window is going to appear. I actually want you to close that, and then I want you to go up to the Setup tab at the top, and then click Playback Engine. So in your playback engine, you're going to have something currently selected here likely. Now I can't tell you what it's going to be because it's different for everyone, but as you can see for me, it's the Craneborn USB audio device. And that is my physical audio interface. So if I wanted to use my built-in Windows sound card, which is a Realtek sound card, this is not going to work. So I need to click on this and I need to go to Windows Audio Device. And then after I select that, you're going to see I get a separate option for input device and then output device. So you can actually mix and match cards here, which is kind of cool. Now, for the input device, I want to go in here and I want to find Realtek. So if I scroll down here, you'll see I have stereo mix, Realtek high definition audio. Now yours may say like microphone, they're a little bit different for everybody. So I'm going to select this here. And then for the output device, I want to also find Realtek, which is right here. So now I'm using my built-in microphone input in my computer for the Windows sound card. And then I'm also using the speaker outputs here to actually hear back the audio in the session. All right, so that is all it takes to set up your Windows internal sound card to work with Pro Tools. So let's now look at how to use a USB microphone with Pro Tools. To set up a USB microphone to work with Pro Tools, the process is almost exactly the same as setting up your Windows internal sound card. So we're going to want to go to the Setup tab at the top and then hit Playback Engine. And then we're going to want to select our Windows audio device again. Now, instead of using our built-in Windows sound card, we want to use the name of our USB microphone. So in my situation, I have a Logitech Yeti X plugged in. So from input device, I'm going to go find that, and it is currently at the bottom. Now for our output device, we have two different options. Well, at least I do. So my Yeti X has a built-in headphone jack, which is an audio out. So if I want to go that route in the output device here, I can select speakers Yeti X. So what will happen is I will record my audio through the microphone, and then I will also hear it back through the microphone. Now, many microphones don't have headphone outs or audio outs built into them. So in that scenario, you're going to want to just select your built-in Windows sound card. So I would select my Realtek audio here, and then I can hear the audio back through my speakers. So those are the two different ways that you can get audio set up to work with your Windows computer if you don't have an audio interface. Okay, you can use your Windows built-in sound card or an external USB microphone. All right, so there's obviously a lot more to know about Pro Tools, and as mentioned earlier, I have a Pro Tools training playlist, and I have a link to it in the description below. So if you want to get a little further along than what this video shows you, definitely check out some of the videos in that playlist. All right, so with that being said, until the next video, I will see you guys later, and peace out.